What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got a very special unboxing to share with you guys. This box was sent by my buddy Kyle. Kyle sent the Hinder Ranch Bowie, the 1911 Elite Dark Timber. He sent the Blade HQ exclusive carbon fiber boost blade smoke. Really great guy. I really appreciate it. He offered to send me something really special, something that I never really thought I'd get my hands on for this channel, so I'm very excited to open this up. I just wanted to give a very special thank you to Kyle. So let's go ahead and get in here. As usual, if you'd like your own Rainbow Lady of the Sea, I do have an Amazon affiliate link in the description that you all can use. Get yourself one of these bad boys for your own unboxing adventures or any adventure of any type. There's also links for some cool stuff like the tools that I use to maintain my knives every day, like the bit selector and the bit driver that I use, and some other things, and there'll probably be more and more stuff as time goes on. But okay, what do we have in here? We have some newspaper, a brick of newspaper. Okay, and another package. I can understand, Kyle. Can completely understand why you so carefully packaged this guy. I'm trying to be very, very careful about where I actually make. Oh, I don't need to make a cut here. All right. Interesting. Let's see here. This is completely different than any other packaging that I've ever gotten into. I'm trying to be so careful. How does it? Oh, here we go. Here we go. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. Can I do this first try? Here we go. Yeah. Oh, my gosh. Wow. This is beautiful. So, I mean, most of you guys are going to know by now. I gotta know how that feels. Oh my. Guys, I don't have the words. So, front flippers are notoriously foreign to most people because I'm going to get everything out. I just want to appreciate the beauty of this. This is a Gareth Bull Chamois 3.5 inch. But I want everybody to appreciate this without anything else in the picture there. So front flippers are foreign to most of the knife world right now because they're a relatively new concept. And that means that getting the ergonomics and the design correct so that your hands can do what is expected of them in order to deploy the knife is kind of tricky business. You know, there are a lot of front flippers that are like, okay, yeah, it works after you get used to it, but you kind of have to like adapt to it. And then there's front flippers that are a little bit better designs in it. And from what I've heard, the Chamois is just a perfectly executed front flipper. And I will tell you right there, that was confirmation. This thing is an astonishing thing. I have never experienced that before. Something that is like, it's almost like the Chamois was like, it's okay, buddy, I got this. Just put your hands anywhere. I'll make sure it works out. Wow, I love this. I love this. This is beautiful. Holy moly. Okay, you guys know I'm a sucker for contoured titanium. You know I'm a sucker for simplicity. This really, really nails it for me, and I think I understand why this knife is such a big deal right now. So cool. Kyle, thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to play with this. I wanted to see if I could actually slow open it. The detent on this thing is so perfect. God. Okay, all right, enough gushing. I'll save the meat and potatoes for the actual review. Kyle, thanks so much for letting me take a look. I promise your baby will be kept very safe in my possession. But that's going to be pretty much it today, guys. So if you enjoyed this short little Grail unboxing, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this Metal Complex logo right here and subscribe to my channel because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.